Hello, welcome to this 10-minute standing Pilates session. It's going to be full body, no equipment, and beginner friendly. So we'll start by standing in our neutral foot position, feet under hips. Find that length through the back of your body. Deep breath in. Curl it forward and down. Exhale. Soften through your knees. Allow your arms to hang. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, core to curl you up. 2 more. As you curl forward, feel the lift through your core and rib cage. Soften the knees to find a deeper stretch. And last one. We'll take a pause at the bottom. Bring your fingertips to the mat by softening your knees. You're going to twist open, lift your hand to the ceiling. Come back down through center, over to the other side. Bending through your opposite knee will allow you to get a stretch here on the side, in the glute and hamstring. Let's go one more time to each side. Good, and last one. And bring it in, take a deep breath in. Core to curl you up. We're going to come into a squat series, so keeping feet narrow or slightly turning them out if you need. We sit weight into the heels, reach your arms forward, press your hips back, and then come up to standing. Taking an inhale breath as you lower, exhale as you lift. Lovely, so weight is in the heels. You should be able to wiggle your toes. You really want to start to get into the glutes and hamstrings. Let's go 3. 2 more, and then we're going to keep it low. And 1, hold it low. You're going to lift the heels, lower, and stand up. Good, got a little click there in the ankle. You can take single heel raise if you prefer. Keeping those knees in line with the center of your foot. Last 2. And 1. Good, this time we're going to hold it low. We're going to take those arms, we're going to sweep them back and then forward. Reaching up to the ceiling as you reach back, activating through the lats on the side of the back. Adding in a single heel raise. As the arms sweep back, we lift one heel, lower as you swing forward. Keep the torso still. We want to move very gently through the arms, reach them forward, and then reach them back. 2 more on each side. Building up a little heat here, last one on each side. And then we'll fold forward and take a stretch, lengthen through the legs, come down to the toes. Exhale, rock and roll up. Brilliant. We're going to turn forward, working single side now. We'll bring those arms out in front of you, reach them forward. Legs are narrow. Sit down into that narrow squat. Bring your weight into your heels, reach your tail back. Extend through one leg, step it in. Lovely. So your gaze is down to the ground just ahead of you. Finding stability here on your standing leg. This is the leg that is working. Good. Think of lengthening through your neck. Rest the shoulders for 2. For 1, we're going to add in a side lunge. This time take the leg to the side, step across. And then when you come in, lift the leg. Across. And lift. We want to think of using that deep core, zipping up through the pelvic floor. Belly button pulls to chest. Pausing at the top, find that balance. And then control on the way down. 2. 1, we're going to add a twist at the top, hold. Twist just the torso. back through center, into your lunge. Keep that leg stable, knee pointing forward. Focusing on that balance and coordination. 3 more. Lovely, how we doing? Finding that balance. Good. If you're on a mat, you can always come off the mat. It will help you find more balance. 1 more. Take a side lunge, hold it there. Cross over, twist, stretch. Good, come back through center. And let's roll it all the way up. Second side, step it in. Arms come forward. Hinge the hips back. We extend that leg and bring it in. So we're only moving that leg away from you as much as you don't move the hips. Very important. Really think of sitting the weight into your heel and pulling your tailbone back. You're going to feel the glute more. Lovely. Keep that gaze down to the ground. Maybe spot a dot. Last 2. Lovely. And 1. We bring it in. This time we take a side lunge and a lift. Pull the leg up. Find your balance. So we're combining that standing leg work, standing cardio, as well as core. We really need that core at the top. Press those hips back, get into the glutes. Last 3. Then we add the twist. 2. 1. Hold it at the top, find your balance. Twist from the waist. Back through center. Lunge. Slowing it down now. You may start to feel that you can build up a sweat when you slow down. Focusing on keeping that neck in line with your hips. Twisting at the waist. 2. And 1 more. Hold it up. Side lunge. And rotate towards that side. Find a twist. We open. Come back through center. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, rock and roll up. Good. We're going to come into our standing reformer work. So the feet are in line with our hips. Hands on your hip bones. We bend the knees. You lift the heels. Straighten the legs. And lower. Let's go down. Lift the heels. Straighten. And lower. So this is very important for walking and running work. Focusing on ankle stability and mobility. Spread through your toes a little bit more. Let's go 3. Good. 2 more. And then we're going to reverse. 1. Keep it high. Lift those heels. Bend the knees. Lower the heels. And stand up. So now we take the knees down as you keep your heels up. Equal weight across all 10 toes. And you're keeping your chest open, taking your tailbone straight down. Last 3. Good. 2 more. And 1. We're going to finish off here with a single runner. So you're going to find that squats position. Reach those arms forward. Can you sit a little bit lower? Extend back through one leg. Find the weight in that foot. Pull the leg in, sweep the arms back. Deep breath in as you kick back. Exhale as you pull in. Your front knee is in line with the center of the foot. 4. Keep the gaze down to the ground. Working that front glute. Last 2. And 1. Step it in, switch side, squat. Extend back, pull it in. Good. Find stability in this front knee. Weight is in the front heel. 5. Lengthen from head to heel. Last 3. 2. 1. Step it in, stand up, lift those heels, spread across the toes, prances, single heel tap on the mat, bending the front knee. Good. Inhale for 2 steps, exhale for 2 steps. Try speed it up. Reaching the head up to the ceiling. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rise up on those heels. Lower it down. Separate the feet a little bit more. Let's reach up through the arms. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, roll it down. Staying at the bottom. Let's find a twist open. And down, checking in with the start of class. Lovely. Can you twist a little bit more open? Gaze up to the ceiling. Lovely, bring it all the way down. Exhale, cortical you up. Arms rise at the top, deep breath in. 1 more, exhale down to the toes. Soften through the knees, neck and shoulders. Final exhale all the way up. Arms rise. And release. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me for this all-standing Pilates session. Hope you enjoyed it. I would love to hear your feedback. It's been a while since we've done this one. This one was quick, only 10 minutes. So if you'd like a longer one for 20 minutes, please let me know and I will definitely add that in. If this is all for you today, thank you so much for joining me. And if you'd like to add on, I will add a class here for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.